the Tortoise and the Hare. Once upon a time, there was a hare who was very proud of his speed. He would boast to all the animals in the forest about how fast he was and how no one could beat him in a race. One day, a tortoise overheard the hare's boasting and decided to challenge him to a race. The hare laughed at the tortoise and thought it was a joke, but the tortoise was serious. The race was set, and the hare was confident that he would win easily. On the day of the race, the hare took off at lightning speed, leaving the slow-moving tortoise far behind. Feeling overconfident, the hare stopped to take a nap, thinking he had plenty of time to catch up to the tortoise. However, he slept for too long, and when he woke up, he realized that the tortoise was almost at the finish line. The hare ran as fast as he could, but it was too late. The tortoise had won the race. The moral of the story is that slow and steady wins the race. The tortoise's determination and steady pace proved to be more effective than the hare's speed and overconfidence. The story teaches children about the importance of perseverance, patience, and not underestimating the abilities of others.